हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अचीवर्स ऑलवेज विन चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है रिलेशन बिटवीन रूट्स एंड कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। लेक्चर शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब किया है उनका धन्यवाद। तो शुरू करते हैं रिलेशन बिटवीन रूट्स एंड कोएफिशिएंट्स। वी नो द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and we find two roots of that equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Plus or minus means two roots. First root is positive, second one is negative. First we get positive value x is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second value x is equal to minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let's consider first root is alpha and second one is beta. This alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Then find sum of the roots. Sum means addition of that two roots. Sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta. Substitute both values alpha and beta. Alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Both have common denominator 2a. Minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac plus minus b, that side is minus b square minus 4ac plus b square minus 4ac minus cancel minus b upon 2a. Minus plus minus b minus 2b upon 2a. 2 get cancelled. Minus b by a, which value? Alpha plus beta, means sum of roots of quadratic equation is equal to minus b means coefficient of x upon a means coefficient of x square. Similarly, we can find the product of that two roots. Alpha multiply beta, that is the product. Substitute both values alpha minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a multiply minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put bracket, and we know the factors of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Here a means which value? A means minus b and b means under root b square minus 4ac. And a plus b means minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac, and a minus b means minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac. We get a square minus b square. A means which value? Minus b square minus b square means under root b square minus 4ac the whole square upon 2a multiply 2a 4a square. Then minus b square minus square and square root get cancel. B square minus 4ac upon 4a square is equal to b square. Solve this bracket. Minus b square minus get plus 4ac upon 4a square is equal to plus b square minus b square get cancel, which is remaining 4ac by 4a square. 4 get cancel. In a square 1a is cancel. Here is 1a cancel, means we get product of roots is equal to c by a, and c by a means constant term. Which equation? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. C means which term? Constant term upon a means coefficient of x square, that is the product of that two roots. Using that two values, then next point, to obtain the quadratic equations from given two roots. We have given any two values, we frame the quadratic equation. First, how can you frame this equation? To obtain the quadratic equations, We have given standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here coefficient of first term is a. Divide throughout equation by a. Dividing throughout by a we get, therefore ax square by a, b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0. A get cancel, x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0. Therefore x square, here we sign plus, plus means minus, minus we get which sign plus, b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0. Then we compare with that. Minus b by a here and minus b by a here. Minus b by a means which value? Alpha plus beta. X square minus in bracket alpha plus beta x plus c by a. C by a means which value? Alpha multiply beta is equal to 0. That is our required quadratic equation. If we have given any two roots, we substitute that values in that equation, we get the required quadratic equation. For example, roots are 3 and minus 5. Frame the quadratic equation. Frame the quadratic equation. How can you frame this quadratic equation? Solution. Which values are given? 3 and minus 5. Let first root alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 5. Then find which value? Alpha plus beta. Sum of that two roots. 3 plus minus 5. Plus minus minus. We get answer is minus 2. Then find its product. Alpha multiply beta. Alpha 3, beta minus 5. 3 5s are 15 plus minus minus. We get that two values. Alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Then standard form of quadratic equation is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. When we use formula, when we have given two roots. Therefore, the required quadratic equation is which form? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Therefore, x square as it is minus alpha plus beta, we find this value minus 2 and alpha into beta minus 15. Therefore, x square minus minus get plus, plus minus minus is equal to 0. That is our required quadratic equation. If we are given any root, first we find which value? Alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, and substitute that two values in given equation, we get the required quadratic equation. Then next example on our practice set. Suppose we have given roots are, which are the roots? 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. And then frame the quadratic equation. How can you frame this equation? Solution. First, which value? Let alpha. Alpha is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to 2 upon 3. Then, first find which value? Alpha plus beta. Alpha minus 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3. Then how can you find this addition? Here is denominator 3, here is 2. Then by cross multiplication, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4 and multiplication of denominator 2 3s are 6. How much subtraction? 1 by 6. And alpha into beta minus 1 by 2 multiply 2 by 3. Then we take front multiplication. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Here division, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Minus 1 by 3. Then quadratic equation. Which form? The required quadratic equation which form x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus how much alpha plus beta value? 1 by 6x plus alpha into beta value minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Then multiply throughout equation by 6. Multiplying throughout by 6 we get 6 multiply x square minus 6 multiply 1 by 6x plus 6 multiply minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0 multiply by 6. Let 6 cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Therefore 6x square minus 1 into x, 2 ones are 2 is equal to 0. That is our required quadratic equation. Then see next example. Let's see the another example. Sum of roots of quadratic equation is double their product. Find k if the equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. To find which value? K. Solution. First, we compare the given equation with standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing with which equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get three values. Which values? Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4k and c is equal to constant term k plus 3. Then find which values? We find out which value? K. We know the formula alpha plus beta. First value alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a minus value of b again minus 4k and value of a is 1 minus minus get plus 4k. Then alpha multiply beta c by a. C value k plus 3 by 1 means k plus 3. And here we have mentioned one condition. Which condition? Roots of quadratic equation is double of their product. Means sum is double to the product. Sum means which sum? Alpha plus beta. But alpha plus beta is double. Double means 2 times to their product. Product means alpha multiple beta given. Then substitute that two values alpha plus beta and alpha into beta here. Alpha plus beta is equal to 4k. 2 alpha plus beta value k plus 3. Multiply 2 to the bracket, we get 4k is equal to 2 into k, 2k, and 2 3s are 6. Therefore 4k plus 2k go this side, minus 2k is equal to 6. 4 minus 2, 2k is equal to 6. 2 multiply, go this side, divide. K is equal to 6 by 2. Therefore k is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. This k is equal to which value? 3. From which condition? Sum of roots of quadratic equation is double to their product. Then we get value of k is equal to how much? 3. Then let's see another example. Another example, alpha beta are the roots of which equation? Y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. To find which value? Alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. First, we compare with standard form. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a value, a is equal to 1. B is equal to y coefficient minus 1. Constant term is 7. Then first we find which value? Alpha square plus beta square. But first we know the alpha plus beta. We know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus minus 2 by 1 means we get value plus 2. Alpha multiply beta. C by A. C minus 7 upon 1 is minus 7. First value alpha square plus beta square. First we know the expansion of A plus B the whole square, which is expansion A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Here which A means which value? Alpha, and B means beta. Substitute. A means alpha plus beta the whole square is equal to alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus which value? Beta square. Then substitute alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2. 2 square. Alpha square as it is plus 2 multiply alpha into beta minus 7 into beta square. 2 square 4. Alpha square as it is plus minus minus 2 sevens are 14 plus beta square. Therefore alpha minus go this side plus which is remaining here alpha square plus beta square, and 14 plus 4 we get answer 18 is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Means first answer alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18. Then find which value? Another value alpha cube plus beta cube. Here also we use expansion. Which expansion? A plus B the whole cube is equal to A cube plus 3AB in bracket A plus B plus B cube. Therefore A means we know the value alpha. Alpha plus beta cube is equal to alpha cube plus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta plus beta cube. Therefore substitute alpha plus beta 2 cube. Alpha multiply beta alpha cube as it is plus 3 multiply alpha multiply beta minus 7 alpha plus beta 2 plus beta cube. 2 cube 8 alpha cube plus minus minus 3 sevens are 21 and 21 twos are 42 plus beta cube. Minus go this side plus 8 plus 42 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Therefore 42 plus 8 50 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Means we get both values. First which value? Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 80 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50.